to Learning Traits. Today we'll discuss and look into some of the common ports used for web browsing. Let's get started. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and the port number is 80, which is unsecured. And port 443 HTTPS over SSL or TLS, which is more secure compared to HTTP. And the purpose of this particular HTTPS protocol is like secure version of HTTP, like encrypting web traffic for safe browsing. Whereas like the HTTP is what powers websites serving web pages over the internet, which is not as secured as it, which is not at all secured. So it is recommended to always use HTTPS, and the port number is 443. And the DNS domain name server, the port number is 53. It resolves domain names to IP addresses so that we can access websites by typing in easy to remember names. Let's take an example as google.com. Whenever somebody types google.com in the URL, it will make a request to the DNS server, and it will try to resolve the domain names to IP addresses so that we can access websites. So DNS over port 53. The port number for DNS domain name server is 53. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, and the port numbers are 68 and 67. These ports are used by DHCP to assign IP addresses automatically to devices on a network. I'll repeat it again. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and the port numbers are 67 and 68. HTTP 80, HTTPS 443, DNS 53. This sums up the video on common ports used for web browsing. If you found this video insightful and helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.